half swollen face and this very uncomfortable position in the chair. I saw one of this comment from one of my followers on Instagram, but here is the comment that I just received. Beyond shocked, and she has been following me for quite some time now. I think it should be about a year or something, and she comments on each and every post of mine, I swear, to a point where, like, I look forward to her comments. So yeah, this comment, I was just having tears in my eyes. It honestly made my day. I appreciate every single one of you who watch my videos and like who take the time to actually send a message. It really takes that extra effort to get into somebody's DMs and message them or leave a comment. It really does take the extra effort, guys, and I appreciate every single one of you who does that for me. Thank you so much. And please, and I think I should just hold like this. I really look like a potato right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a huge support. I am still doing this because of you all. It's too much, too toxic sometimes that I don't want to be in here, but then I receive one DM, one comment, and I'm like, you know what? So thank you so much. Here's a cookie for you all.
Lymphocytes or T cells, macrophages, and natural killer cells.
Hi, so basically I'm ready right now to go to SARM's We Need to Talk stand-up comedy show. So I've been trying to get my tickets for this for quite some time now. I have already watched I Was Not Ready Da, I think back in 2018. So this is like the second time I'm going for his show, but it's a different show. I'm aware of that. I'm hoping it'll be cold outside because I'm literally wearing like this sweater. So, and it's already burning because I switched off the fan. So let's see how that goes.
Thank you so much for coming out on a Saturday evening.
ஏன் மூஞ்சியெல்லாம் எடுக்காதீங்க, பயந்துருவாங்க எல்லாரும்.
மெனு பார்க்க சொன்னால் vlog பண்ணுறியா அப்படின்னு நீ கேட்கலாம். I'm going to start the சட்னி வச்சு சாம்பார் தட்டா உனக்கு பிரச்சனையா? தெரியுது. எங்க லேக்கு?
Representations of the inside of the body for clinical analysis and medical intervention, or more simply, is to take pictures of the inside of the body in order to diagnose with C and 2D imaging. On the left, you'll see a schema. It's important so that you can understand the view that's taken. The first consideration.
So I came to check my phone from charge, and Vashni has sent me a message saying that she's going to get me Starbucks. Because Starbucks is having like flat 190 on drinks, on any drinks, and I think some food items as well, just for today and tomorrow, like via online. So I was planning to get it actually in the evening, but she decided to get it to me now, and she's also sent me this cute thing which says, "You deserve it, cutie." Thank you, Vash. Thank you for the drink. It's actually really nice. Actually like it. This is the first time I'm trying this drink. This is, I think, the white mocha. So I really like the white mocha cold brew. That's what I usually have, but because it's the rainy season and everything is so cold, I'm sure that I will catch a cold if I have some, like a proper cold drink. That's why I wanted to try this, and I must say this is really good. Like, I must say that this is really good. This is actually really good. It's a pretty sweet drink, but if you like white chocolate, you will definitely enjoy this. So you can give this a try.
Which Dr. Hinton discussed in Lecture 1 in the different colon cancer screening. The test of choice, paint film, there's contrast is used.